Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix not installed app in Chrome. So first you need to go to search bar, search for control panel, tap on it, make sure view by set as large icon. Then after you need to go to programs and features and you need to uninstall the Google Chrome in here. You can just tap on it, tap on uninstall. Then after you need to delete it. You need to delete it from these locations. First you need to open File Explorer, go to this PC and go to C drive. First you need to go to program files in here and right click on the Google and tap on delete. Then again go to program file x86, right click on the Google and right click on the Google, delete. And finally go to users, go to your user account, go to app data. If you can't see app data, go to view, go to show, tap on hidden items, app data, local, scroll down, you can find Google here, right click on it, delete. Then after you need to delete from Google in the registry editors also. Go to search bar, type registry editor, tap on it, plus double tap on HKey local machine, go to software, scroll down, go to WoW 64 node and expand Google, expand update, expand clients and delete the first one. Right click on it, delete. Then after go to your browser, and you can use any browser for this one. In the address bar type Chrome download, go to the official Google Chrome website, tap on download Chrome option. Once you are downloaded, make sure to run it as administrator. Then after go to search bar, search for Windows security, just tap on it, go to virus and threat protection. Under the virus and threat protection setting, tap on manage setting, turn off real-time protection once you are installed in the Google Chrome. Once you are completely installed, you have to turn it on again like this. So these are the methods you can try to fix the not installed app on Google Chrome issue. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.